Hello kids, welcome to Kids Education with Fun. Let's learn some colors. Black color, yellow color, purple color, red color, pink color, dark blue color, violet color, light green color, brown color, dark green color, and sky blue color. Let's draw 2D shapes. Black color, Pentagon, triangle, heart, square, circle, star. Let's color these 2D shapes. Choose the color. Sky blue color, sky blue color. Choose the color. Dark green color, dark green color triangle. Choose the color. Purple color, purple color heart. Choose the color. Red color, red color square. Choose the color. Dark blue color, dark blue color circle. Choose the color. Brown color, let's make the revision. Sky blue color pentagon, dark green color triangle, purple color heart, red color square, dark blue color circle, and brown color star. Thanks for watching. I hope you will do the same practice. See you in the next video.